Hey guys, Michelle here with Adventures Ahead, and we're doing a room tour on the Carnival Magic on room 1336. Walking into the room, you'll see that there's a light switch and a place to put a card in so the lights and electricity works in the room. On the left hand side, you'll see that there are closets along with extra bedding and life jackets. So we found that there were plenty of spaces to put everything that we needed to. And even store like our laundry bag in one of these closets. It is nice to have this full-length mirror right here so you can, make sure that you're looking best for whatever the day might bring on the cruise. Next, moving to the bathroom, the light switch is outside, and you'll see that it has the corner shower. So we found that this worked pretty well. Our particular room, the water did back up a little bit, but we were able to get that fixed throughout the cruise. There's lots of storage in here, and as we move out of the bathroom, you'll see the temperature gauge on the outside. Right next to this, which makes it the Ocean View Deluxe room, is a separate bathroom. So as you can see, this bathroom doesn't have a toilet in it, but it does have a bathtub and a sink. We found this super helpful. Josh and I could take showers at the same time if we wanted, and it just worked out really well. It also would work out really well if you had a family that you were traveling with. Moving out into the room, you'll see that there's some storage with a hairdryer in the first drawer. There's also only 2 plugs in this room, so my suggestion would be to bring a power cord that's non-surge protector, just so you can plug in all of your electronics. We found that there were plenty of storage areas in the room as a whole, and really had excess room. This is the mini fridge that came in the room. We did order water ahead of time, so we put those in there, and that was nice to have cold when we came back. And then also there's a safe in this drawer, which was a button safe, and we didn't have to use our card. More storage here. And then also a small TV. One of our favorite aspects of a room is having a couch. So we really enjoy having a couch. And, really it helps when you're hanging out in your room. There's place for both of us to sit. We never have had an ocean view room like this before. We really enjoy being this close to the water and kind of being able to see when we came into port, things like that. So, for that, it was great. We would totally get this kind of room again. There's lights at each table on the sides of the bed. And then also there is a light switch behind those pillows that will allow you to turn the lights out from bed so you don't have to get out of bed at night. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks.